Hello, my name is Rishikesh Singh and I study in New Horizon College of Engineering, Mechanical Department second year. And today I would like to talk about the topic a diamond is a lump of coal which does extremely well under pressure. This is a very true saying because I personally believe a lot of us should have a pressure to what we want to become in future. And I would like to correct to what people think of pressure as in this scenario is that the pressure the work puts on us or maybe the stress load. No, that is not the pressure I am talking about. The pressure is to set a goal in life, because if I have set a future goal and I want to achieve it, I have to put pressure on myself, because by just saying that I have set a goal and I want to do it won't make me do it. But if I put a pressure saying that no, I have to do it and I have no other goal in life and this is what I want to become, this is my passion, then I got to put pressure on myself to work harder and harder to achieve my goal. This is what pressure means to me. And I think most of the successful people right now tell the same thing, that that's not the workload, is not the pressure they want to express out to people, but the pressure they put on themselves, the pressure of not achieving the goal that will kill them. So that is the main concern I feel. So I want to talk about. And also, as the saying says itself, coal is a very cheap item if sold normally, but if it goes under extreme pressure and becomes a diamond, it's sold at a very high cost. And also, pressure is not just putting pressure on ourselves to what we want to become in future, but I think life also puts a lot of pressure, maybe pressure in a very various ways, which makes us achieve goals. Pressure by life could also be like maybe having a few family problems, financial problems, or maybe feeling lonely in life. But that I think shouldn't stop a person. That should motivate the person to become what they want and and achieve the goal they want to do in life. And I would like to end my topic here. Thank you.
Greetings everyone, I am Jatin, pursuing my BE in Mechanical Engineering from New Horizon College of Engineering. The topic, diamond is just a lump of coal which has done tremendously under pressure, is very relatable to us, because only when a person is put into tremendous pressure, only then he will be able to know his capabilities and his skills. And when we push our limits above the bar, only then we'll get to know how much we can take. I like to categorize pressures into two parts, the good one and the bad one. The bad pressure is the pressure which is put by your society or your friends, where they set up a mark for you and you have to achieve them, which is very bad. And the good pressure is which is put up by yourself. You set the limits and you have to cross beyond the limit. We must never show our back to the difficulties which we face. Instead, we should try and overcome them. And like a diamond, we must do tremendously well under pressure and take our experiences from the past and implement in the present, so that we can outshine from others and be a step ahead of them. If we fail, we should not set back and sit back. Instead, we should set back and bounce back, so that we can pass with flying colors. By saying that, I would conclude this topic. Thank you so much.
Greetings to one and all. I am Alan Vishal from New Horizon College of Engineering, Mechanical section, second year. Diamond is a lump of coal which has done extremely well under pressure. This statement also holds a good advice for our life as well. We must consider ourselves as coal in the beginning, and only if we are put under pressure or we are at the bottom will we get the motivation to do something big and become a diamond. And failure also puts a lot of pressure on us in every aspect, but the good thing about failure is that we get the best motivation to change failure to success. We also get a lot of experience being under pressure. It shapes us into professionals in many ways. So I would like to conclude by saying that we must consider ourselves as coal, and when we are put under pressure, we have to make use of this opportunity and prove ourselves that even I can do well under pressure just like a diamond. Thank you.
Greeting to one and all. I am Jayaprakash Devi, studying in New Horizon College of Engineering, Mechanical branch. I will speak about diamond is a lamp of coal which is done extremely well under the pressure. It means that each and everyone is as special as a diamond, and we can do anything and we want to put an enough hard work. We are shaped and molded by the people we are and the way we change due to the teachings of life. Just the way our pressure is needed for the transformation a piece of gold to a diamond, and we are also require a pressure for our transformation. Each and every human is a precious and unique you from the transformation of gold to a diamond, and we needed to go through an intensive pressure and we shall bear with the patience. In life, no matter what we will do, we will be faced with the pressure. I will conclude by saying that in our life, how much we will do hard work and how much we make efforts to our life, that shows a beautiful life. And also it looks like a diamond. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Gautam from New Horizon College, Mechanical Department, Section 3A. I am going to speak about the phrase, diamond is a lump of coal which has done extremely very well under pressure. In today's world, we are facing more and more stress and pressure on a daily basis. Tighter deadlines, fewer resources, complex issues, unrealistic expectations, competing demands from customers, bosses, shareholders, and stiff competition. And that's without mentioning the current unprecedented global financial crisis and recession in countries. Under such pressure, there will be a productivity losses, wrong decisions being made due to tiredness, absenteeism, sickness, or loss of motivation when things around you are crumbling. This is when the tough get going. Like the diamond being created under pressure, leaders need to be able to manage the above situation and help the people cope up with the pressure. The modern working environment often places substantial demands and stress on the people, but smart leaders will learn to maintain effective performances and cope with such pressures and stress. How to work under pressure? Use COPE. The meaning of the COPE is control, organize, positive thinking, and evaluate. The first one, control. Take time to assess the situation and don't allow yourself to rush into making rash, emotionally driven decisions. Focus on the tasks and responsibility over which you have control. The second one is organize. Make an effort to be well organized and manage your time effectively. In order to reduce pressure on yourself, where possible, delegate responsibility to others to reduce pressures on yourself. The third one is positive thinking. Learn to look for positive aspects and opportunities as situation. Negative thinking may generate anxiety and lead to poor performances. Recognize signs that you are experiencing stress and use stress management strategies which work for you. For example, take a quick walk, use humor, or consult someone to clarify your opinions to reduce mental stress. The fourth one, evaluate. Take time to assess the situation and rationally identify the key factors and potential solutions available. Relax and reflect when you can. Take regular exercise and eat a healthy diet to improve fitness and avoid physical stress. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Javardhan. I am from Mechanical Department L section. My topic is about diamond is a lamp of coil which done extremely well under pressure. It may be that nobody in your business has experience of how creative diamond queries. A diamond is a chunk of coil that did well under pressure quantity. A diamond is just a lamp of coil that did well under pressure. It not high playing and now that focus on task and responsible over which has control, organize, make an effect of